بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم. I am Professor Adam Ahmed Adam. You are welcome to this bacteriology lecture. It is about Bordetella pertussis. This bacterium causes pertussis. Pertussis is also known as whooping cough and 100-day cough. The bacterium is an exclusive human pathogen. It infects human only. It is gram-negative Coccobacillus. Look at the picture. It is strictly aerobic, obligate aerobe. It lives only in presence of oxygen. It is capsulated. Transmission by inhalation of the droplets from a patient. It is extremely contagious. Most common in young children and elderly people. The disease is mediated by toxins. The incubation period ranges from 1 to 2 weeks. Pathogenesis. The bacteria colonize the mucous membrane of the upper respiratory tract, but they do not enter the bloodstream or invade tissues deeply. They remain on the surface. They adhere to the mucous membranes and produce toxins. The toxins destroy the respiratory cilia. There are virulent factors, adhesion factors, filamentous hemagglutinin, pertactin, and fimbriae, which are pili. The bacteria produce toxins, and these toxins mediate the disease. Pertussis toxin, tracheal cytotoxin, and adenylate cyclase toxins. The clinical stages of pertussis. The first stage, the catarrhal stage, and it takes 1 to 2 weeks, where the patient has got running nose, flu-like disease. Then the paroxysmal stage, it goes from a week to 6 weeks, and it is characterized by continuous cough with a whoop. The convalescent stage, from weeks to months. Recovering state. Cough may continue up to 3 months. The patient becomes contagious 6 days after the beginning of the first stage, the catarrhal stage, up to 3 weeks after the coughing starts. The patient will not be contagious after 5 days of treatment. Diagnosis, clinical. If you do a differential blood count, you are going to find lymphocytosis. Then the specimen to isolate the bacteria, nasopharyngeal wash or swab. You culture imported gingo agar. Also, you can use the serological testing. The treatment, the antibiotics are the macrolides, erythromycin, azithromycin, clarithromycin, but cough may continue for some weeks even after the drug treatment. Prevention by vaccination. The vaccine is DPT, diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus, mainly childhood vaccination. Also, other people, elderly people, and pregnant women can be vaccinated. Regarding the pertussis, the vaccine may be killed or acellular. The acellular vaccine is composed of the detoxified pertussis toxin, to which filamentous hemagglutinin outer membrane protein and fimbriae are added. Booster doses are needed to support the vaccine. By this, the lecture is over. I hope that it is understandable and I wish you all the best.